Yes, Turkestan. Yes, Turkestan is before 1949 is independent country. After 1949, the Chinese government occupied East Turkestan. You know Tibet. Tibet is part of occupied by China now. But now the name East Turkestan came to Xinjiang. Xinjiang because East Turkestan. Xinjiang means the little countries in Turkey. Sinistan is
Are they still Muslims or are they?
It is a concentration camp. Children. Children.